today's video, we will cover what is an industrial product video, how long should it be, and what are the best ways to make an industrial product video, and finally, the best way to distribute your content for social media and trade shows for the best possible ROI. So what is an industrial product video? It is a strategic B2B media asset designed to showcase your technical components in action, and it should prioritize your functional value over the artistic one. I'm not saying that quality here is not important, but the first value or the first thing you should focus on is the functional value. Now, how long should an industrial product video be? The hero overview video should sit around 45 to 60 seconds, and this will be enough to hook your buyer or viewer and at the same time to communicate your core value proposition. And from there, you can cut the main overview video into bite-sized 15 to 30 seconds clips. And you can use these mini clips in order to follow up with a specific lead if he was asking about specific function or a specific feature. And you can also use these mini clips in order to increase your organic reach on social media, because platforms nowadays rewards the consistent posting, especially videos. If you decided to go to 90 seconds, you should find a really good reason and a strong one in order to do that, because nowadays attention span has decreased so much. And you may lose the viewer before he gets to the end of the video, and accordingly he will not see your call to action, and this will impact your conversion rate drastically. Now, what is the best way to produce an industrial product video without shutting down your factory floor or dealing with bad lighting or safety hazards? You don't use cameras at all, and leverage the CAD to digital twin pipeline. Instead of a live action shoot, we can use the CAD file. We can take your existing engineering CAD file and build a digital twin of your product. And from there, we can apply all of the different materials, textures, and colors. So the digital version of the product is identical to the real one. And since we are in a digital space, we can build any environment we need. Also, we can strip away the outer casing and show the internal components if we would like to explain a specific technology inside the product. And this gives us unlimited visual options if we would like to show the internal mechanics of the product. And when your product updates next year, we simply update the CAD file that we have. We don't reshoot again. Now let's talk about the content distribution and how to get the best possible ROI from these videos. A premium visual asset is useless if it's buried, so you need an intentional distribution. Number one is your website and B2B platforms like LinkedIn. You simply embed these videos on your website and these platforms where the technical evaluation happens, and your viewer or buyer can know more about your product. Number two is YouTube. And you should treat YouTube here as the second largest search engine. It's not another platform that you are posting on. And this way you can capture high intent search traffic. Number three, trade shows. And this is where the ROI spikes. You can run these premium videos on the main screens of your booth. And these premium visuals that are similar to how Apple present their products will help you stop traffic, communicate complex functionality, and drive booth engagement. And this way, you don't need to ship a 10-ton machine across the country. How to explain a complex product at a trade show. For those who don't know, I am Andrew and I'm the founder of DR-VFX, and we build comprehensive video libraries for complex and industrial products that help explain your product in a better way so you can increase your sales. Relying on a human sales engineer to handle every technical question on a noisy trade show floor is a massive bottleneck. Marketing managers frequently complain about being left unexpectedly to handle very technical question about the product, for which they possess absolutely no training. When the prospect's technical question goes unanswered, they walk away. Your booth desperately needs a visual system that answers all of these questions by just looking at these visuals. But before we dive deeper about how to build these visuals and what are the benefits of them, you need to know where your current booth stands. You can take an assessment called the Booth Visual Scorecard. You can find the link to this assessment in the description, and it just takes 2 minutes and you will get a score at the end, and it tells you if your visuals are ready for the trade show or not. And back to our video. Because in most cases, marketing managers often lack the technical knowledge about the complex products, the solution is building out cinematic, technical 3D animated videos. Think of this as a digital sales engineer that never takes a lunch break. If the prospect asks about specific line sets or a specific technical feature in an industrial product or a medical device, you don't panic. You simply show the prospect a breakdown video of any new feature or any complex tech in your product. And this digital engagement creates completely frictionless lead capture. You can instantly turn this casual foot traffic into measurable, highly accurate CRM data. And this is by answering their most complex question about the product by showing them the animated videos. But what is the outcome? Exponentially increase in booth dwell time. So stop losing deals because your product is so complex or your engineering team are busy talking to someone else. The biggest hidden cost in B2B event marketing isn't your trade show booth. It's what happens to your leads after you pack it up. You're likely spending more than $140 per lead on the trade show floor. Yet, research shows that your sales team will ignore 80% of these leads the moment you are back. So the ROI of the trade show isn't just low, it's evaporating. Here is an interesting insight that most agencies will not tell you. Isolated explainer videos are a dead-end commodity. So to fix trade show lead generation, you don't need just one video file. You need a modular visual asset library built for the whole sales cycle. So to maximize trade show ROI, you need to pay attention for these three phases. Phase 1, which is before the trade show. Hoping that the right people will randomly stop at your booth is a massive risk. What you need to do is to warm up your prospects weeks before the trade show even begins. Right now, video is hands down the best way to get attention on social media, and especially in LinkedIn if you are a B2B company. We arm your sales team with premium and short 3D animated videos for your product so they can share these videos in their outreach. Not only does this help you lock in VIP meetings even before the trade show begins, but posting these videos early on social media will help the attendees to identify or recognize your booth the moment that the exhibition begins. Phase 2, we call it on-site domination or during the trade show. Transporting a 50-ton industrial machine to every convention center is a logistical nightmare. Instead, we can use cinematic CAD animation and exploded views of the product as a massive visual anchor on your LED screens. We visually dissect the internal mechanics, and we arm your non-technical team with pre-rendered iPad-ready visual assets and 3D animated videos. And these video assets help to answer any engineering or technical question if your engineering team are not available or if they are busy with someone else. Phase 3, which is after the show, where we convert our leads into buyers. This is the most important phase, and this is where 80% of the exhibitors bleed revenue. And we stop this bleeding by providing your sales team with persona-specific and automated videos for their follow-ups. We easily can cut these videos into sections explaining each feature in detail, and your leads get highly targeted specific videos exactly matched to what they have discussed at the booth. And this is where we can help maximize your ROI. We can provide your engineers and sales team with these exact visual asset ecosystems, so you can turn massive logistical expenses into growth engines. I highly recommend that you can take a very simple assessment linked down in the description below, and this assessment will help evaluate how good are your booth visuals. It will identify the exact gaps in your current booth visuals.